Good morning, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are working on day 28 of our Creep on June series. 28, tick-tock, we're almost done. Okay, so today's one, this base and all his eyes, oh, nope, just kidding. And his eyes have all the seeming of a demon's that is dreaming, and the lamplight o'er him streaming throws his shadow on the floor. And I cut him out of the tag piece. He looks like he's pondering life right now. And we're just going to do a little collage around him, and I'm going to put this in the background, I think, today as well. I'm just going to tear this out. You guys are so cute about my attitude in yesterday's video. I thought it was going to be better today. It's questionable. I'll just leave it at that. I was trying to use my Cricut and start some cutting out of the Christmas mice stuff. My Cricut and I were having a little chat. And my printer and I were having a little chat, and I said, I am not doing this anymore today. I'm super annoyed. Don't need any help. And of course, Mark just thinks it's infinitely funny when he can annoy me more. I'm like, dude, you need to stop. I'm like, don't you have something you need to do today? And he says it's so hot, he's not going to do what he was going to do today, which I totally don't blame him. It is. What did I tell my friend this morning? I said, it's so disrespectful out. It is just awful today. For the person whose name I did not write down, you asked me about my friends that I swap with and if they have channels. The answer is yes and no. My one friend does have a channel. I haven't watched her most recent video, but they have been silent so far. She just kind of shows her process, but doesn't talk about it. She's very self-conscious, because I'm always like, I wish you would film so I could see how you made, you know, blah, blah. Oh, I like that. And she's so cute. So she has been filming a little bit, and I'll try to remember to link her channel below. I probably won't remember, so remind me, and I will add it to the description box, okay? But anyway, I think I want to have him like peeking out at this tag frame. Ooh, that fits on that little one. I just changed my mind. Doo-dah. Okay. And yeah, let's just work with this little one. And I'm going to leave this extra on here for the width. I don't think we're going to see it. Did I even finish my sentence? I don't even think I finished my sentence. Anyway, so the one, okay, so my one friend is my mad scientist friend, and she and I swap stuff quite a bit. And then my other friend that I swap with quite a bit does have a channel. But again, she does mostly like silent stuff. And so anyway, sometimes she sets it to music. But I'll try to remember to link that below. Okay. Now, on the back side of this, I'm not really worried about it being perfect. I will end up cutting that. Let's go ahead and cut this so it's kind of straight. I mean, kind of. It doesn't have to be perfect. Check this out, you guys. I got this at a yard sale. And it's a Creative Memories little guillotine thing. And it works really well. And I got it for like nothing. So she had this pile of stuff, right? And she was like trying to get me to buy all this stuff. And I'm like, I don't need all this stuff. I don't need all this stuff. And this has been a few weeks ago. Anyway, and so, but I was asking her about this trimmer, and she was not going to come off the price. And I'm like, well, I'm not going to pay that for it because I don't even know if it cuts, right? And anyway, so she ended up, it was pretty hot that afternoon, and she was finally like, she made this pile of stuff, and she goes, if you take all of this, you can have it for 20 bucks. And I was like, are you gonna throw that little trimmer in? At first she said no. Then she was like, fine. Threw the trimmer in too for 20 bucks. I got Some stamps and stuff, I need to get them all put away. I haven't put them all away. Do I want to emboss this? I think I want to run this through an embossing folder and see what happens, because the thing is, I can always make another one of these because this is a tag-shaped die I have. So I want to do that, because if I emboss this, then I can hit the top with some kind of something, shimmery something, and we can trim him down. He could be like in a frame here. Oh, I like that. Yeah. I don't even know if I've completed one whole sentence since I started, and if I didn't, I apologize. It is what it is today. Okay. I'm going to try it because we don't know if we don't try. So let's see if it works. Okay, moment of truth. I spritzed it with this. My bottle is yellow because I had it in the sun, so it yellowed. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, it worked. Love it. Yes. Here comes Mark. Let's see if he gives me a hard time about something. What? Where's my... so much. Yes. Okay, so he didn't give me a hard time. I thought he was going to. I asked him what he was doing. He told me mind my own business. So here we are, minding my own business. Okay, I like him. He's just peeking out of there. I just ran a little glue along these two sides and put him on there so I could trim him. And see, he's not even on there straight, but I really just wanted to have him, you know, like he's peeking out. He's like, I'm so solemn. I need a friend. I don't know. I have this scrap laying here, and I already have it scored, so I don't know. It was in my scrap bin. I'm going to put today's poem on there. I think it actually fits really well. Scooch it over to the side, and I'm going to just tear this edge. I realize the top and the bottom are, well, I mean, I could tear this a little more, I guess. And then I could tear the top and bottom and just kind of not mirror, because this is just, you know, 32-pound paper, and obviously this is like cardstock, so it's heavier weight to tear it, but we're gonna do it. We are going to tear it so it kind of mirrors that shape, just to add a little bit of interest to that page. That is my ink dauber. This is my glue. Oh, Nelly. Okay, so yeah, the sun is peeking through, and it is like, hi, come outside so I can scorch you alive. So hot today. So Marco's out fussing, trying to get our little kiddie pool set up. I'm like, do you need help? And he's like, no. Okay. Okay, man. You should do it all by yourself then. Okay. So I'm going to have glue on my finger. I'm just going to tear this down the edge. It doesn't have to exactly mirror this shape, but I just think it adds a little more interest that way. And then I'm still debating, do I want to try to tear the top? I don't think I do. And the reason I don't is because the way my day is going, I will tear into my phrase, and I don't want to do that. I think I want to see what tracing paper will look like on the back of that. So it will have something on the back. Like, we're going to have it on here somehow. And then this will flip open. Look at that. And then we'll see him. And he's like, will you be my friend? I need a friend. Okay. I tore it. It's imperfect. I don't care. We're going to use it. I'm not going to tear another piece. And I'm just going to use my glue stick on it because I don't want glue to, like, if I use wet glue, it's going to show like exactly where my wet glue is, and I don't want that. So, fiddly little piece here. Get that stuck down. And I think it's going to be a little white or a little too white. So I'm going to just run my ink dauber over it just to knock that bright white back. I wonder if I can dye this. Coffee dye. I don't know. I'm not going to do it today, but maybe I'll take a couple sheets down and see if I can. I'm sure I can. I wonder if it does like vellum. Like, vellum does really weird things when you coffee dye it. Like, it's kind of cool, but it gives like a very strange, it like shrinks up and does all kinds of wrinkly things, and Do I want to stamp something on there? Just a light design. Needs some interest on there. That's boring. Ooh, how about a bug? All right. Okay, today is going to be another short video, and that is because I have a few things I need to do with life, but I also need to find a box that I want to use for the cover and make sure I've got time to paint it black and it have plenty of time to dry. And I don't think that's something that I need to necessarily film. I mean, I think I'm going to look and see if Mark has any matte black spray paint. If Mark has any. Did I say Mark or Matt? Oh my gosh. I think I said Mark. I better have said Mark. Anyway, so I can spray paint the box and I have plenty of time to dry. With the weather, I think that I might have an issue with humidity. So I need to be able to do it and it have plenty of time to cure before I bring it up here to use it. So I'm going to do that today. But anyway, I had to put a magnet on this because I didn't leave enough gap here on this piece. I have to ink around this. I haven't inked around it yet. But anyway, so I put a magnet on the back of it, so it's in there. I don't know that I love that as a solution, but the magnet works because this is just basically the 2 sheets of the 32-pound paper, so that will go on a page somewhere. I did stamp a moth on here, but it is so faint. Like, you can barely see it. I don't know why, but it's just very light. So I have to go help Mark do something, see if I can find some matte black spray paint. Otherwise, I'll just have to use acrylic paint. It's just going to take me longer to get the coverage that I want. And anyway, so that's a process because I have to get this journal done. I do have a couple of fun pieces that I still want to make, so don't worry. There's a little bit of humor still coming. He's just peeking out like, I see you. Okay, our 2 words for today are cursed and gloomy. So cursed and gloomy. And then we only have 2 days left of our word searches. I cannot believe we're almost done. It's bittersweet. It really is. I feel like this month has been a year long for sure. Did I show you I just backed it with one of these pages that I had printed the 2 to a page? And that way I had like the background pages a little bit smaller. And that has worked out really well for just having some pieces to back with, or as I continue to make a few more pockets. I'm really going to try not to print anything else. I don't want to print any more of this kit. I'm going to have plenty of leftovers as it is. So that's going to be interesting. I'm really glad that on a whim, I decided to go ahead and emboss this. Is this a negative space? Yeah, because the tag itself would be the positive space from the die cut. I'm not sure. And I think when this is all dry, no, I can't because this is into that. I was going to cut this as a tag shape. I may round the corners. Let's round the corners. Excuse me. And then that'll be done. Yeah, good call. I like it. I'm glad I did that. Okay, so then I'll find a home for this in one of the pockets as I work on it. So I will see you guys in tomorrow, which is going to be day 29. And fingers and toes all crossed that by the time I start filming 29, I will have a lot more done. Otherwise, I have to do it all tomorrow. And I don't know if I can get it done. We'll see, because 30 we will have that last make, and hopefully I'll have at least all the signatures sewn in and all of that by 30, but I really am hoping probably will be by 30 because I've got to get the box painted so it can dry. Okay, I'm happy with him. Yeah, he's cute. I just like his little eyeballs peeking out of there, so anyway, okay, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for those of you who have been faithfully commenting, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. And the interaction with my channel helps my channel in the algorithms. So thank you. Okay, bye.